Place is packed. The smoke is coming out. The food smells ridiculous. It smells like real authentic jerk.
The best. I just drove all the way from Orlando.
Magnum tonic wine, bedroom tonic. Don't get panic, yeah.
Jamaica, Alika, Miami. Jamaica, Alika, Miami.
Smell it. It's food.
Located in the heart of downtown Miami, Julia and Henry's stands tall as a culinary landmark. Step through these doors and enter a world of bold flavors, global fusions, and vibrant energy.
This is a lobster roll. Crab roll, lobster roll. I don't know. What time they open? Feast and sip. 6 p.m.
to 9 p.m.
What time now? After 6. Yeah, well, after 6.
What? Whoa.
Hold on there.
I'm going to say, watch your step on your step.
Man, we're at the same tower. So we're at the eatery, but after the place is closed. We're heading back downstairs. Places that I wanted to try was a lobster roll. That is not what. So it's back downstairs. See if I can find a porchetta or something. String in the mud. The two things one want, they don't have. They don't have the porchetta, crispy pork belly, and they don't have oxtail croquetas.
Oh shit.
So, no bueno.
No bueno. Double disappointment.
Yeah, I mean, everywhere that's supposed to be open is not open, it's closed, so it's limited. And must serve pepper steak.
Thank you.
Nice. Nice. That's two money again?
Yeah. Look at that fall.
So this is now. Doggy, are you do the food review now?
So I'm going to see what it tastes. Bro. A little bit on the salty side, but it's good.
I'm a veg man.
It tastes like an American pepper steak.
But it's supposed to be Peruvian, why it is an American pepper steak. So they missed the Peruvian.
Peruvian pepper steak then, I mean, the first time, so.
But it tastes like an American. What's the other place name again?
Julia and Henry.
Something I go on there, so Julia give Henry bun or Henry I give Julia bun or two of them I give them one another bun card.
Something I go.
Nothing I go on there, so something or something. But he miss.
Miss, trust me.
It was a good effort. Them have a good concept. Execution. So consistency is always key. Chef Tally look like a bashment up on the line, man. One of the police park out there.
Walking in, it smells authentic, it looks authentic, it feels authentic, it even sounds authentic.
think you're down to around 15 now, but the place is packed. The smoke is coming out, the food smells ridiculous. It smells like real authentic jerk. We've had it before at the jerk, so respect me. Yeah man, the man said the thing sell off, so tell the thing. I hate that.
With lime, right?
Yeah.
So how them find it? I hate this.
Right side of Chef Tally.
Yeah,
Right
man,
side of
side
Chef
Chef
Tally.
Tally. Natural juice.
Natural fruit juice, Irish mash, peanut punch, pumpkin seeds, spirulina, passion fruit, pineapple, ginger, beetroot, soursop, sea mash, magnum tonic wine, bedroom tonic. Don't get panic, yeah. Remember that.
Bless up yourself, heart, I love me, general.
Remember man, yeah, respect.
So one time for with the order, and I'm getting anxious. Have small chicken, dark chicken, white meat, pork, ribs, mixed meats.
You know your nickname is Shane.
Triple combo. Triple combo, chicken, pork, and ribs.
Nickname is Shane.
I don't know if that will be enough. Good night. It's Chef Tally here. In the back. Alright, I want 2 small dark, small pork, and the large ribs. That sound like it. What's that come to? I'm okay with my cat. I can just stop. So you get up there, you order. There's jerk pork, there's jerk chicken. The smell of it is amazing. Just listen for the drums. You hear that, the chopping going on in there. That is them chopping up chicken, chopping up pork, chopping up ribs. And it smells amazing. The smokers are out and they're gigantic. It's the same smokers that when we linked him at the jerk festival. So the crowd, the line, you can tell it just inviting. The smell of it coming in and it smells amazing. We just ordered. It's just a patience game now. We're going around the back to see if we find Tally. Chicken, pork and ribs, yes sir. Yeah man, that is the food. Underneath there. So I'm going to take a piece out of the chicken right now. Smoky. Not too spicy. Have a nice flavor, excellent flavor, and then a little bit of heat coming off of the skin right there. The chicken, yeah, I recommend it. I wouldn't need a sauce. Sauce would be nice, but a nice little punch, but not too strong. That's perfect. Coconut is, coconut looks so. Okay, family say food bad. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Are you coming at your place, so?
No, not my place at all, man. That's a regular spot.
But your place at Juve?
Yes, Soca family with the Juve and promotional things.
Alright, respect.
Yeah.
So we're going at the chicken. It's time for the Trenton. Juicy. I'm waiting on the flavor of the spice. It's very juicy. Very tender. I could have used a little pepper on that. But smoke flavor. And then the jerk hit right after. It's tender, it's juicy. And it have that smoke flavor that you look for in jerk. You're looking for the pimento, you're looking for that little heat, that little sweet, and that crust, the bark on it. Pork bun.
But
Pork bun. We just ordered one large one of this. One large one in there too.
That's a slab.
This is the slab.
Yes.
This look like it. Hold on, how my ribs don't look so. And this time man I tell me say him no work our own, yeah, so. Watch for him ribs. Watch for him ribs, huh? Hold on, no. It's alright.
awesome.
That's the sauce? No, we have to go try some of the sauce right now. The pepper?
The mild one.
Mild?
Yeah.
The two do mild enough. Not very mild.
It's very, very mild.
Pepper that.
And down
The flavor of the pork are most nice. You don't need sweet sauce on it. Heat upon that. Oh, no. I'm gonna heat just lick more alone. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I thought, I'll pepper that now.
And yeah,
I'll pepper that. I like that. That's acidity, but that whole heap of heat on that. Oh, that's nice.
Medium spicy and red hot.
red hot.
Medium spicy, and we go where? We go.
Medium and spicy.
So we don't reach a red hot yet.
Reach red hot there.
One red hot.
Be careful.
I live for pepper, you know.
Be careful.
Cause them two them mild. That's not pepper, that's a barbecue sauce. And the other one are mild. Red hot or what? Like goes a scotch bonnet in there.
All I told you was be careful.
You know, so me I heed the warning cause you like you own the place. Me I hold it to fear word, you know. Be careful. The last time my man tell me that, me there Cuba and said be very careful. I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna have to feel. So me not plan for feel tonight.
No man. So they have some people, them just start dabbling, you know? I say, yo, easy.
Yeah man, mind what you do.
You know, listen.
How okay
You end up not enjoy the food when you double all that.
Yeah, cause them soul up on fire.
No man, I like it though, that heat is nice for now. I literally can't put it down it. No, solid jerk. Solid jerk pork, solid jerk chicken. And we don't get into the ribs yet. But you can see it from it on the thing. The smoking. The fire. Solid. See it there? It's a dry rub. Come on. This I win. Today heaven right, Cecil?
Where is one?
No one of the salmon has to call for whole. Man gone with the whole hog.
Well, I know.
You sure it's alright when you No. I one of them slow cooker. Yeah, hold on there. Oh, wait for it. I find the other one hotter. A nice flavor. Look how perfectly that's cooked. How well that's cooked. Nope. Oh, no, get a bit. Yes, sir. Listen, that one hotter?
Yeah, bro.
You don't think it's hotter? Pepper in here, Ross.
I'm a hot man.
I don't think it's hotter.
It's hot.
It's hot, but it's nice. It's nice. I find the other one a little more. Let me try it with something else. Nah, man. My name Matty, my name nah, man.
Oh yeah, okay. Try the pork. Pork. This one that's pork.
The real MVP, we need to sit down and wait.
Yeah, that's pork.
Man, you're not trying the pepper? And she know food, but she wants sushi. Alright, my consensus is really good. We all have the same consensus. The pepper is amazing, it have the spice. The pork is juicy, it's sweet. The jerk chicken, same thing. The smoke that goes off of it give it that real authentic flavor. But that pepper, once you put it on it and lather it all over it, it's amazing. I feel like pepper just start hit me. Feel like it just touched me.
Yo.
It have a delay reaction.
Shine vision.
But I don't think it's that hot. I like it. It's very nice. It's very wicked. Yeah, man.
You know, lick it right away.
But it's nice. It's very nice.
But
It's very nice. It have like a scorpion or a ghost pepper type of thing where it take a little longer and tingle a little more. But it's nice.
I see a lady one time.
I like it. You see, thing is, me love pepper. Me name pepper regular.
It's like it spread right through her body.
You got through her nose?
Me say she starts sweat, her nose a run. Me say when it off.
So that make you a police out there. Me I take back a little more, man. I don't lie you. I like it. Look, I got all the way in. All the way in with it. All the way in. It's excellent. It's not too hot, it's just flavor.
the best, right?
Yeah. The best.
I've been eating here.
You mind if I turn it?
Go ahead. I've been eating here 25 years.
Wow.
25 years.
Yeah, ask them.
That's so funny, man.
The best. I just drove all the way from Orlando to get here.
Oh shoot, from Orlando, you
Yeah.
took all that time.
And I called in at 3 o'clock and I told them, make sure you have my ribs and chicken.
25 years, he has to have yours.
The best.
Come on.
That's the mild. That's pepper.
Here for 25 years, you get the cup.
Yeah, you get the cup when you come here for
when you
25.
come here for 25.
VIP.
Yeah, man.
Hey, some paper right here. Got paper there.
Can't wait to reach home now.